Welcome back to this course, Introduction to Blockchain Cybersecurity, a presentation of coding boot camps. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the Ethereum blockchain. Again, please consult your learning materials for these two highly recommended prerequisite courses, Introduction to Blockchain Technology and Introduction to Cybersecurity. So let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is a blockchain. It's very similar in structure and architecture to Bitcoin. It was founded by a group of Bitcoin developers led by a developer by the name of Vitalik Buterin, and it went live at the end of 2015. This is the Ethereum community. Ethereum is a public blockchain, and there is a single copy of the ledger. Ethereum is more than just digital money. Ethereum considers itself a smart contract network, and it runs something called the Ethereum virtual machine, which allows for development of smart contracts. So it includes wallets and distributed applications, accounts. So everything that Bitcoin has, Ethereum has, but Ethereum also layers on the tools for running smart contracts. So the Ethereum virtual machine is a development runtime environment for the applications that run on Ethereum. And it's designed to be development programming language neutral. And the EVM supports high-level programming languages such as C++, Java, Solidity, Python, JavaScript, and more. And the way that the EVM works is very similar to the Java virtual machine. A developer writes his or her code locally, and they send it to the Ethereum virtual machine to be compiled, and then that compiled bytecode runs on the Ethereum network. And the EVM can run any type of application. The Ethereum software is open source. Again, here is the community. It is a public blockchain-based platform that also supports smart contracts. A smart contract can even be implemented between parties that don't trust one another, because that's what Ethereum is doing. It's providing that trust. So we don't need third parties to validate and clear our transactions. And the transactions obviously are messages sent by externally owned Ethereum accounts to transfer value. And gas, so gas, that's a term on Ethereum. Gas is the transaction fees. So you have to pay something to have your transactions cleared on Ethereum. So the miners and the Ethereum network get a small fee, and it's a very, very small fee compared to fees for typical third-party transactions. But those fees are called gas. And you have to purchase gas, and gas is paid in Ether, which is the Ethereum native token. It needs to be purchased, and it goes into your Ethereum wallet that you will use when you're interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. So let's take a look at a setup for building an Ethereum application, and that'll run on the Ethereum blockchain. To begin building your environment, the best place to start is with the Truffle suite. The Truffle is a suite of tools. That allows us to build smart contracts and interact with a blockchain. And what Truffle gives us is, and these are the Ethereum tools. This tool is called Ganache, and it is a local Ethereum node. And we can also build a local Ethereum project. So we can have our contracts here. We can have our contracts compiled for us. And you can see here, this is a smart contract. It has been compiled for us. This is some HTML code we can use. And we can also use code called Web3. And Web3 is JavaScript that works with an Ethereum node. So we can actually, and then we can use another tool called MetaMask. As you can see, this is starting to run here. MetaMask will contact, we can see here this address that it is connecting to here, will connect to our Ethereum node, and we can see the address here is the same. It ends in A666, and we can see here this is ending in A666 if we look back here. So we can actually see that the connection is being made from our browser back, and in short order we will actually begin to carry on transactions here. So in summary, Ethereum provides all of the same cybersecurity tools of any blockchain, plus it has all the features to write blockchain applications or smart contracts. And please stay tuned for our next lesson. Is going to be an introduction to Hyperledger Fabric. And again, please look at your learning materials for any kind of private blockchain or blockchain cybersecurity classes. And thank you for attending this session.